Hi, my name is Randy. As you know from my previous videos, I'm blind, and I am also quadriplegic. Therefore, I am using two very interesting programs that enable me to read and write, to surf the net, and to do much more.
Start menu. Email. Microsoft Office Word 2007. Task Document 1. Microsoft Word Non-Commercial Use. I explain. Space. Space. W H A T. What? Space. T O do space Y O U space T H I M K think space O F space M Y my space F Y F T E M System question. Hi, what do you think of my system and the document?
Here's how it works. I am using a program called Darcy. It is a Morse code program, and what it basically does is it transfers all of the keyboard functions into Morse code. As you see, I have two micro switches mounted close to my chin. The left one for the dots, and the right one for the dashes. It may seem a little bit complicated, but it's like riding a bicycle. Once you know how, you never forget.
M G making space T H B 6 G U
The second program that I'm using is a screen reader called System Access. It's a pretty cool program that facilitates me to go on the web It also has a lot of great features. It permits me to listen to a lot of radio stations throughout the world. And it also lets me listen to thousands of movies with the described video programming.
Start menu. Email. Each system access mobile network. F. Taskbar. Please wait. SA mobile desktop. SA mobile desktop. What would you like to do now? 1. Link. SA mobile network. New window. SA mobile network home. Where would you like to go? 1. Link. Email. 2. Link. News center. 3. Link. Entertainment guide. Entertainment guide. Please choose one of the following 14 links. 1. Link. 128K music networks. 2. Link. Audiobooks. 3. Link. Described video programming. Described video programming. Please choose one of the following 3 links. 1. Link. Children and young. 2. Link. Movies. Movies. Please choose one of the following 32 links. 1. Link. New editions in the find. What do you want to find on this T? 3. Link. Adventure. Adventure. Please choose one of the following 403 links. 1. Link. 10,000 BC. 26. Link. Back to the Future Part 3. New window. Back to the Future Part 3. Rating. PG. Length. 105 minutes. Stars. 3. Genre. Action/adventure/new trailer from the Internet Movie Database. Play. Link. White letters on a black background. Steven Spielberg presents a Robert Zemeckis film. Saturday, November the 12th, 1955, 10:03 p.m. Lightning flashes above a clock tower. On a ledge beneath the clock face sits Doc Brown, a man with white wispy hair.